you guys. Today is Vlogmas day 8. Yeah, it is. I skipped 7. I took a little break. But I'll make it up to you guys. Like right now I got a lot more planned for Vlogmas. But currently I am under quarantine, my mom and I. But we're good. We're just under quarantine, you know, waiting it out. So I didn't really have much to record yesterday, but I'm gonna record, I guess, my entire day. I'll try to. I'll be making French toast for breakfast and you guys will see that. You know, I don't think nobody could top my French toast. But yeah, if you could, you know, if you think you could top my French toast, I don't know, probably pick up a bottle, something, I don't know. Or if you think you could, like, send me a picture on Instagram of your French toast, if you think you top my French toast. And I'll put my IG name, like, right there. So, yeah, send me a picture of your French toast. But let's get into the video. Okay, so you guys, this is breakfast. Halsey. This is the blueberry French toast, fried sausage, and egg. And yes, I like to season my egg. I like a little flavor with my egg. And this is some apple, cinnamon, spicy. I think that's vanilla. Bon appetit! Okay, so you guys, after a hearty meal, I'm just gonna take a little walk, I guess not a walk, but a little dash outside and enjoy God creations. Alright, you know, it's quite windy, to be honest. It's very windy. I think it's gonna rain. I don't know. Let me show you guys my view. Love it. Then, this is red Christmas tree plant. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my hair in a puff. So this is the high puff what I did. I just took it down to show you guys, but I'm going to tie back up because it's 6:55 and I am about to hit bed. But to just go in bed and watch some TV. Basically, I just edited today. Sleep. And I watched half of The Parents Trap, you know, with Lindsay Lohan. Yeah, like that's my favorite movie, to be honest. I like that movie. It's a really good movie. But yeah, so that is all for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I guess subscribe to my channel to stay notified, and I promise you guys I will make this Vlogmas thing up to you guys. Hopefully, I know for sure I will. So yeah, happy holidays, and I will see you tomorrow. So peace out, baby.